Hello friends, welcome to our birthday queen for a day. Happy birthday to all my kings and queens. Welcome. Happy birthday to those that are celebrating birthdays. On today's video, this is a collaboration with Really Good Living and many other YouTube ladies. We've gotten together to do a birthday collaboration. On today's video, I'm going to share with you my birthday money cake. This is the first time I've done this. Someone did this for our apostle, our pastor at church, and that inspired me to do a money birthday cake. All the links to those that participated in this collaboration will be in my description box. Please do stop by. This has really been an adventure doing this, but it came out beautiful. Tell me what y'all think about this, and have you tried this before? Now, the things that I have on my table is what I have for my summer thank you God table. And if you want to see how that was created, I'll definitely leave the icon above. What I did, I tweeted and added some things and took some things away. This little teapot is just for a queen. I always had it, but I never used it. And it comes with small little cups. And I loved it because I have the blue, and blue represent royalty. So a queen for the day, she's royal, guys. She's royal. And you have to celebrate this queen for a day. I'm telling you, I hope y'all have an enjoyable birthday. If your birthday is coming up, if your birthday already went, I hope your birthday was fun. If it's coming up, I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, you can't go wrong giving your queen some money. Now, I do have some ones, some tens, fives, and 20s in this cake. I'm not sure exactly how much is on this cake. I have no idea. But I just want to share you something different and unique. I added my candle on the table. Your royalty don't drink out of one glass. So I put the blue glasses and the gold glasses. So I hope you guys are enjoying this one today. Tell me what you think about this. Would you try this? I thank Miss Really Good Living for putting this together, and the team. Thank you so much for being a part of this collaboration. Friends, if you enjoy content like this, I would love for you to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment, and you're always welcome to share. This is my first birthday collab. And the queen definitely have her diamonds. So once again, I want to say happy birthday to you and enjoy your day. And I pray that your loved ones celebrate you, because no matter how young you are, how old you are, it's always a blessing to have another birthday. And stay tuned to the end. I'm going to show y'all just a little small part of this DIY in me putting this together. I thank you for continuing to watch, and I hope y'all enjoy your birthday, enjoy your week. I pray God bless you until I see you again on my next video. Y'all have a blessed, blessed, blessed day from Penny. Bye-bye.